And here's episode 2. Wait for me!
Ano ganun, hi lang?
Oh, we forget about you. Don't say the name!
What grade are
13.
you?
Wait!
5.
Hey, we're gonna see him later. But, we're gonna start the Team Tagarina, but this time, it is all we know. All we know, we are not just gonna play Team Tagarina. We're gonna play hide and seek. Not Team Tagarina. I mean 96. I am Monarch in the Zone. Lilipad. Oops. Why we Fiala? Toy Stories. Sorry, I'm late. Please. I just keep playing with you. Mr. Potato don't always be mad. I got my bag. And you don't bring your hat. And you don't bring your mustache. How dare you? And I will tell you. And here comes the three bagong nahanap ni Jessie na mga characters sa episode 5. Ba't di na nila nanaro? Kasama na si Jessie. Howdy, my friends!
Ulitin mo yung kagaya nung pinagsama-sama mo lahat ng
Here's toilet paper. Toilet. Poop it. Poop it. Poop it. Oh, come on. Hello, I'm Rex. Rex, why?
Pause na natin saglit. Punasan mo yung camera. Oh. Madumi.
I am Rex. You already know. Rex, you're red. Oh. You're possibly green. Okay. Hi, guys.
Parang matutulog na sila, Ellie.
Oh, it's Slinky.
Pagkatulog nila.
Slinky. Hey. Yeah. Thank you.
Baka hampas
Hey,
kita.
why you do that, Mr. Ah.
Dapat niya, sisi na
Nalasing na sa.
Napakatapang eh.
I'm back.
Hoy, Ellie! Hoy, Ellie!
Oh,
Ellie!
we're starting this video with Lily. Let's start the video with me. Decide now.
Ay, wala na sa atin.
Friday, ganito ako. Dami
Ow.
ako.
Okay, time to hide. Looks like I am the seeker. Okay, Lily. Everybody, yikes!
Lee.
Can I hide? The seeker hide and stuff.
Uy!
Come on.
Lee.
Look lang, I'm gonna sama with the squares. Come on, squares. Whoa! And to hide in the secret. You go over there, I go over here. Hee-haw! You're never gonna find me here. Hi. Talking here. 17 a.m. over here. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Okay. Bye-bye. Lucky Rainbow. 7. Bye. I mean over here. Where am I gonna hide? Where am I gonna hide? Oh, I can hide over here. I mean, over the car. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide over here. 14 extreme. I play my skater. Ten again. find me here. So 90 gravity. Ah! Pwede palagay doon. Noon lang. Doon. Doon. Kung saan mo lang gusto ilagay.
Yung nasa phone mo, Nina, kung pumasok ka sa message.
Wait.
Ikaw siya.
Eddie.
Ano ka siya?
Come on. Wait.
Kaya?
Really?
Hey.
Come on.
Ame.
Three friends. Okay. You can hide over here. Come on, Mr. Potato Head. Oh, come on. You really need to say
Ow.
you hide over there. Ow! I hide on the background.
Hey. You.
I'm gonna hide. Terrible Tuesday to the noob.
Wow. I'm beside you.
Forget about me. And me too, I'm a villain. No, you're celebrating.
Boo.
Come on. Oh,
Daddy.
camera.
Anong bata dun sa ano?
Ow.
You need to hurry to hide. It's almost time up.
Daddy.
Okay.
Hide them. Boo.
Bye-bye. Secret Step Squad.
Boo.
We need to hide. Come on, partner. Am I your partner? Yeah! Wait. The partner.
Tigaboo, are you hear me? Tigaboo, ow. What's that?
I mean, I'm not in. Oh, come on, you look.
Boo.
I'm gonna pretend I'm a culprit.
I hear me. Boom.
I'm gonna walk on you out. Ah! I'm not gonna hide over here.
Wow, sa tablet tayo.
Okay. Tayo na lang. Di pa din kaya matakot. 0, 0. And I'm gonna hide dito.
Haha. Hi.
Come on, 19. Oh. 18. Okay. Wait.
Dapat ka. Oh no.
Whoa.
Woo. Yes, taas tayo? Yes.
Yay! Wow.
Wow. Ah! Hindi tayo ulit. Ah!
Over here. Ah!
Oh no!
Hey.
4. Ay! Ay!
Did we succeed in
Alien,
meeting our punishment today?
Why?
Wait!
Did the punishment
What's that?
give the victim a sense of closure?
Hi. The secret Morrison.
Does the
What's
offender
yung
feel
taas tayo? Abi sa taas.
Okay. Tayong dalawa na lang, 11. Yes, 5. Decide.
Wow.
that's the work we do?
I'm gonna throw you. Wait for me.
Show!
Ready or not? Here I come. No, wait. I found a 6. Oh, come on. And wait. Found a 13. Wait. Oh, I'm back. Okay.
I'm wow.
Looks like you're the first cut. And
Lee, dandahan ka lang.
Hey.
2 a.m. na.
found your Rex. Oh. Ano terrible two? There's gonna be another. Two of them. Two and terrible two. I found you.
This one.
Time to find more. Mark this down. Found you.
Ha?
17.
Gusto mo patayin ko muna yung TV?
Wait, tatanong mo ti Ellie, mami. Di ba? Ano sinabi mo, ti? Wait, pinatayo.
Lipat lang ang Hoy, maligo ka.
Aligo ka na. Ay,
Wala tayong template.
hinango, alam mo yung class.
Gagawa ng template.
Alam mo ano daw?
Magre-record.
Hinango, gusto mo maalam ano tawag sa akin ng class bully.
Ano? Pigs?
Hindi, wait lang. Pasko na to. Okay. I found you and... Wow! 14! Oh, come on. Hey, what is potato? I found you, Mr. Potato. Okay.
Wow.
Wow!
Number 1 yan na.
8! Sorry. I found you.
I'm full.
3
3 and 18. I found you too. We're gonna play Team Tagarino and after this. May number ka din. Ay, Daddy, naipit tong toy ni Ellie sa alalim ng bed. Doon yung black.
Ako na magka-categorize nila.
May toy.
Diyan mo kasi nilagay eh. Kaya mo na dyan yan, tutulog na dyan yan.
Okay. Oh, step. Step.
Mo
Ah!
nilagay.
Octo, nothing.
Ha?
Ah! Ow! Ah! Found it
Red,
then.
latag mo na to dyan, oh.
3.
Pabilisan mo muna, wait lang.
On the secret box.
Sangat nyo na lang.
And I found you 12. Go to the steps. Ah!
At pag ganun nga
Oh
pala,
my God.
ano, papunta kay May.
Oh, Ellie. Gandang steps. 15.
Ay, yung number block
Come
na.
on.
Pinabalis na palabas.
Hey! Found you 19. Hey, monster na. Ow! Found you 10. Hey, wait a second. Found you 11 and 5. Oh! You found us. And left na lang ay... Yeah! Galing nga naki-English. Yung mga na-win are those. Where's this? Over here. And looks like 1 and 1 and 4 and 9 and 16 and 40 and Jessie is the winner! Hooray! 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 Hooray!
Ubus na ng popcorn.
We're gonna play. We're gonna play Team Tagarina. But this time, kasama yung mga Toy Story. And next, and the third video is coming.